Hello friends, today we are going to understand penetration testing. Penetration testing, also known as pen testing, it is an authorized security assessment that is performed on systems, applications, or networks. It is carried out with explicit permission from the system owner within agreed boundaries. Penetration testing is important because modern systems are complex and constantly changing. These factors make it difficult for organizations to identify all weaknesses through design and development alone. Well built systems can also contain weaknesses that could expose them to attackers. A penetration test fills this gap and helps organizations understand how these weaknesses could be abused, which allows them to prioritize fixes and reduce risk before the weakness can be exploited by attackers. Penetration testing is an essential security service for many reasons. It ensures that organizations can prioritize remediation efforts based on the level of risk associated with weakness. It helps to protect the confidentiality of sensitive customer data such as payment information or personally identifiable information, that is PII, which ensures compliance with many regulatory frameworks and industry standards such as payment card industry data security standard, that is also known as PCI DSS, and General Data Protection Regulation, that is GDPR. In the real world attack scenarios and assessment of overall security posture of an organization ensures that security controls are effective. This process provides assurance to the leadership, stakeholders, and customers that weaknesses are being addressed proactively. So, penetration testing is very important for every organization to